Hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we are going to talk about how to properly shampoo your natural hair. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup tutorials, and all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world. You guys, this video will not be edited, so you're going to get it straight off the back, off my phone, as is. All right, so I'm about to wash my hair. This is the little ponytail that I've had in for a couple of days now, and I really do like it as a protective style. I usually don't do buns for protective styles, but I didn't make it too tight or anything, and I just stuck some Marley braiding hair on the back. If you guys are interested in seeing maybe a tutorial about it, I will just comment down below and I will do a tutorial showing you guys how I created this look. It's really simple, really easy. If you have a pack of Marley hair in your house, in your cabinet, in your collection, you can just throw it on, make it happen. And I didn't have to straighten my hair because the Marley hair is textured, so it just really went really well with my own natural texture, so I didn't have to worry about having like straight hair for this look or anything of that sort. Okay, but back to what this video is about. I'm about to go wash my hair, so I figured that I do a how to properly shampoo your hair video because I do have a playlist with all of my natural videos, natural hairstyles, hair talk, tips, all that. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to go and check it out. So I thought it would only be right for me to do a how to properly cleanse your hair video. I'm not going to cleanse my hair in this video because I have so many videos showing you guys how I shampoo my hair. So if you want to see how I shampoo my hair, I would definitely go ahead and link the playlist down below. You guys can go watch any of those videos. That's how I shampoo my hair, okay? That's how I do it. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. So first thing first, right? So with the how to properly shampoo your natural hair, we're going to start with number one, which is using the correct shampoo for your hair / scalp type. Now, before we had many products available to us in the natural hair world, and if you guys, I'm 30, so if you guys are around my age, you guys know that when you used to go into the drugstores to look for products, there wasn't a lot. We're talking about Herbal Essence, we're talking about Dove had something, there's probably the Pantene. Oh, Pantene was it, but I didn't even like Pantene because they didn't, their shampoos and conditioners were the worst for my hair. But there were products that didn't really cater to black hair, kinkier hair texture, curlier hair texture, thicker hair texture. Okay, so now that there's so much on the market where you can actually find exactly what you want or exactly what you need, it is very important to get the best out of your hair when it comes to shampooing, to your shampoo routine or your cleansing routine. It's very important that you use the right product. For example, you guys know my hair is kinky curly, very, very curly. So I do use products that are geared to curly hair that are going to give me a moisture shot. I love Shea Moisture's curly hibiscus shampoo. I love also their Manuka and honey shampoo. It's just super moisturizing. It leaves my curls so hydrated. It doesn't strip my hair or anything. So you want to make sure if your hair is straight, wavy, kinky, curly, dry scalp, fine, thick, you want to make sure you are finding a shampoo that caters to your hair type. Therefore, you are getting the most out of your shampoo. And I know having a kinkier hair type, it is very, very important. That is very, very important because what you cleanse your hair with takes you all the way through. Your routine. It just makes it so much easier. So use the proper shampoo for your hair type. Number two, make sure your hair is detangled. Now, I've been there where I've gotten into the shower like, whatever, we're not going to detangle. And I go and I thoroughly like drench down my hair and I apply the shampoo and I'm fighting tangles while I'm shampooing my hair, which is not fun. It takes up extra time and you're trying to, massage it in and then rake your finger through and you're getting caught. It makes it so much more frustrating when it comes to your shampoo routine. So take a moment to detangle that hair. Maybe you may need to use a little bit of conditioner in the hair to probably go through and finger detangle, or to take a wide tooth comb and detangle. But it's best to have that hair thoroughly detangled so that when you get in the shower or you go to the sink to wash your hair, it's a lot easier, so much easier. Okay, so detangle that hair before you step into wash day. All right. Number 3, wet down hair thoroughly. This is really important too, because I don't know for you guys, but for me, when my hair is wet, it just sucks up the water and it just shrinks so much, and I feel like it gives my shampoo a better application. So make sure you're thoroughly drenching that hair so that you are really able to work that shampoo through, not semi damp, not semi wet, not a drop. Thoroughly drench down your scalp to the ends of your hair before applying that shampoo. It'll make the shampoo process a lot easier. Number 4, section hair if needed. And you guys, if you are a naturalist out there, you watch multiple videos, I can say, and seen so many of the natural gurus out here section their hair into the 4 sections or the 5 sections, and they thoroughly shampoo their hair that way. That makes it easier because a lot of people, hold on. That makes it easier because some people have a thicker hair. Some people have thicker hair, therefore it makes it harder to reach the scalp with shampoo, and sectioning it makes it a lot easier so that they're thoroughly shampooing each portion of their hair. Okay, bear with me. I don't personally, I used to section, but I don't do it anymore because my hair just kind of melts and it's really, really thin. Not thin, but I have really fine strands, so my hair just kind of melts together and it's a little bit easier for me to work in my shampoo, so I don't section. But if your hair is thicker and you need to make it easier for you, section that hair off when you're shampooing. And by that, quick demo. So you'll section your hair. Let's say this is one section right here. Let's say you have your hair on like 4 parts. So you would thoroughly drench down the entire head, section it, clip them up, take down a clip, and usually they apply the shampoo to the scalp or onto their hands, and you just take that section, you just massage it like right into that section, bring it down the length of the hair, and just massage it, and then they will twirl it up and put it back in the clip, or they will rinse it and then put it back in the clip. There's different ways. You have to find out what really works for you, but that's pretty much how it's done. Number 5, this makes me cringe. Okay, apply shampoo roots to end. Y'all don't understand how much it makes me cringe when people apply shampoo on their ends and they don't even touch, or the length of the hair, and they don't even touch the scalp. They're just rubbing it all like this into their hair. Like, no. We're gonna get into that motion in a moment, but let's talk about the roots to ends first. The scalp is the powerhouse of your hair. It's where your hair comes out of. It's what nurtures the hair. Daily basis, especially more so in the natural hair world. Like me, I use a lot of castor oils on my scalps. I use a lot of some gels. I use a lot of little edge controls. It is very important that you shampoo that scalp and remove all that buildup from the products that you use, from sweat, from your natural sebum, and really clean that away so that your scalp can remain healthy. Now, wait. See, I told y'all. This is going to be okay, that's another point. Okay, so yeah, you want to apply it into the scalp, and then you can work it down the length of the hair. Another thing, please, if you are a curlier girl, don't take your hair, bunch it up on the top of your head, and go like this. Don't do it. You're going to be rudely awakened. Don't do it. When you try to get out, don't do it. It's best to keep that hair stretched, so when you're shampooing, keep that hair, run it down the hair like this, and keep that hair stretched, and then you can like either clip it up or whatnot, but don't do this, because that's going to cause your curls to intertwine with one another. Don't do it. Okay, so that's roots to ends when it comes to applying your shampoo. On to the next. 6, massage into scalp using circular motion. So take it, place it here, massage into your scalp. Now you want to use the balls of your fingers, okay, these little parts here, and just want to right into the scalp, okay, right into the scalp. You don't want to use your fingernails, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm be real with you guys. I've used my fingernails before because it feels good to be like scratchy, scratchy. But it's not the best thing for your hair. It can end up breaking hairs. So try to avoid doing that. Coming from the girl who does it. But you want to use your finger pads or the balls of your fingers and just massage that into the scalp, okay? Or massage the shampoo into the scalp, all right? And it feels really good and also promotes hair growth. So there you go. All right, number 7 is to rinse thoroughly. You want to make sure you are rinsing the hair thoroughly, removing any shampoo left over. Therefore, there is no buildup on the scalp. Therefore, you're not getting irritation, because if you leave soap behind, it can cause irritation on the scalp and you can be itchy and all that. So you just want to make sure that you are thoroughly cleansing the scalp. And lastly, repeat if needed. Sometimes people need to shampoo their hair 2 times. So if you need to, if you have excessive buildup, if you have, I don't know, mostly excessive buildup, like extra products and stuff, and you just want to make sure that it's clean, go ahead, my dear, repeat the process. Make sure that the hair is thoroughly cleansed, okay? Just some also key notes is that your hair shouldn't feel dry. If you are a natural and you're shampooing and your hair feels dry, it's most likely the wrong shampoo for you, or it's too protein strong. Those are some things. Or you just need something that is more moisture based for you. What else was I gonna say? I'm not gonna, of course, I don't know if I said this already in my video. This is what it is when you guys get raw videos from me. I'm all over the place. I'm a mess. But if I didn't say this before, I have my wash day routine. I will just leave it above, down below. That's how I wash my hair. So I'm not going to do that here in this video. But yes, those are just some simple key tips on how to properly cleanse natural hair. Hopefully that was helpful to anybody out there. And I am like red. Okay, anyways, hopefully that was helpful out there to anyone watching this video. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in another awkward video. Bye.